Hello and welcome to the Cyber1 YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video, which is part 4 of Fred's newsstand, we're going to assemble the back covers. Now you may notice that the front covers are missing from Fred, and that's because I've taken them out for painting and they're still drying. Hopefully they'll be back on next week. So let's have a look at these parts. This is a back cover. There will be a link in the description for it. I've had a few problems printing it. This is actually the second time this part's been on the printer. Last time it broke the filament broke going into the extruder and it stopped. This time round it's printed out most of it and then done a layer shift starting right at the very end of the print. When assembling it, I'm going to end up with a groove, but I think I can actually cope with that, trim off the tops as necessary, and we'll recover this part. So that clips in the hole in the back when it's formed. Now the other issue I had was a couple of under extrudes caused by, well, put simply, crap filament. So this one here I'm going to have to strengthen with some welding. This part here is supposed to flex to allow clipping of the cover on. That's the top middle from memory. These two parts mount down low on the back. These two mount in behind the servos for the roll neck. This is the lower bottom part. I also had a couple of under extrudes here. It looks like I've got an under extrude all the way through this. Other than that, it printed okay. I should be able to repair that with the 3D pen. That piece looks alright, as does this one. This one's had a pretty severe under extrude all the way through. I've tacked it in place so it doesn't fall apart. Actually, this one came apart while I was taking the support material off, but I'll weld it together to hold it all together when it's finished. Alright, let's start by working out what nuts and bolts we need for this and assembling it together. Well, that's all welded up. I'm not real happy with the back cover. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. I made another one for the original Fred and it fits pretty much the same, so I will leave it for the moment. I have got a 7-inch Raspberry Pi LCD display. I could put that in there. There are brackets available on Thingiverse that will allow us to mount it there. The downside is it's designed to have the Raspberry Pi mounted on the back of the screen. My Raspberry Pi is mounted up in the head as a master controller, but there's no reason why I can't have two Raspberry Pis running MRL. MRL does have communications channels between two instances of MRL running on a system or multiple systems that can talk to each other across network. So I can run a network cable from the top to the bottom and run the two Raspberry Pis. Well, that'll do for this build. Hopefully the next one will see the front covers back in place, although they might still be being painted and dried. In the next video, I'll look at mounting some of the power control circuitry, power supply and a PCA 9685 in the back, and we may even look at some of the shoulder components. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. I've now got a new Discord server which I've only just put online, so I'll put a link to that in the description. There is a link in the description for that cover if you wish to use it. And we will see you in the next video.